Today, I'll show you how to delete Chrome history. If you want to clear the websites you visited in Google Chrome, the good news is that Chrome gives you a built-in way to do it on both phone and computer. Google says you can choose a time range, select exactly what type of browsing data you want to remove, and then delete it. That means you can clear just recent history or wipe everything if that's what you need. Let's start with the basic method. Open Google Chrome on your device, then open the menu. On a computer, click the three dots in the top right and choose Delete Browsing Data. On Android, tap the three dots and then Delete Browsing Data. On iPhone or iPad, tap the menu and then Delete Browsing Data. Google's official help shows this as the normal path across Chrome devices. After that, choose the time range you want. Google says Chrome lets you remove a short period like the last 15 minutes on mobile, or pick a larger time range such as all time if you want to. Delete everything. Then make sure browsing history is selected. If you only want to remove history, uncheck other items like cookies, cached images, or saved passwords before you confirm. Now tap or click Delete Data. On iPhone or iPad, Google says you may need to confirm again by tapping Delete Browsing Data. Once that's done, Chrome removes the browsing history for the time period you selected. On Android, Google also notes that deleting browsing history can include open tabs, depending on the option you choose. If you only want to remove one website instead of clearing everything, Google also provides that option. On a computer, open history, find the site you want to remove, check it, and delete just that item. This is useful when you want to clean up one entry without wiping your full browsing history. There's one more thing to remember. Deleting Chrome history is not always the same as deleting your Google search history or your saved Google account activity. Google treats those as separate controls. So if you want to erase search activity saved to your Google account, you may also need to delete that from your Google account history settings. And that's how to delete Chrome history. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.